How to remove YouTube subscriptions. So let's get started. First of all, launch the YouTube application in your mobile device. And after that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now once you land on your home page, if you navigate to the menu bar at the bottom of your home page, there you will find a subscription button in front of your profile icon, so tap on subscriptions. Now once you land on the next page at the top of this interface there, you will be able to view all your subscriptions. So tap on all. Here you will be viewing all your subscriptions. Now to remove subscription, tap on this notification bell icon. After you do that, a drop-down menu will pop up in your interface that says all, personalized or not. So that's for the notifications. Now to unsubscribe, simply tap on unsubscribe. And with that, you have removed these subscriptions in YouTube. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.